Now these are Zhejiang, Xiejiang in Chinese. They're ducks for eggs and very popular in Vietnam and becoming very popular in Thailand. They don't eat much, but they give a lot of eggs, so I'm going to look for their eggs. One thing I like about these ducks is they like to hide the eggs, and they're always very clean. They're not mucky eggs. So we've got 4 girls and there's 3 eggs, yeah, sometimes 4. Mostly 4, sometimes 3, every day. That's them Zhejiang ducks. Originally from China. Popular in Vietnam. And very popular now in Thailand. Like I say, you get good eggs, a lot of eggs, every day. And what I like is they hide them and they're always nice and clean. Not like these Indian runners. Look at that one in the corner, sitting on the eggs. They just seem to drop the eggs everywhere, in dirty puddles, even though we make nests and spots. I put them in there before. Yeah, that's not them, did that. They were on the floor, but I didn't want them to get break. So that's Zhejiang eggs from Xiejiang ducks. And the boys have got a curly tail, you can see that, a little bit bigger, curly tail. And the girls, 1, 2, 3, 4 girls, a little bit smaller. Not a lot of meat. They are strictly and usually kept for duck eggs. That's it then from SW Farm Korat. And we'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.